And now I need to install generatepress theme. Here you can see these are installed themes. Click add new button, and after that here search for generatepress. Then you can install this theme and activate. So the theme comes with premium websites that are pre-built. If you want to use that, just you can get generatepress plugin. Here you can search for, and you can get the plugin from the official website generatepress.com. From here you can check the pricing. So guys, here you can see this is the price. And after that, now let me go in the plugin sections and install a new plugin. So actually that is premium plugin. I need to select a file from my laptop. So now let me select plugin folder, and after that you will get plugin file. Here you can see like this one, GP Premium. So let me select and install it. Make sure that plugin file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error. And after that, now activate the plugin. Okay guys, plugin is installed. Let me go in the appearance, then click on generatepress. Now scroll down, and here you can see different options. So let me activate all these. Alright. After that, now here you can see open site library option. Click here. And here you can see these are different pre-built websites. So you can select the category from the top. For example, you want to create e-commerce online store website, then you can select this option. And here you can see these are the professional pre-built online store websites. You can also select the blog. So at this moment I want to select a template from the blog category. So let me scroll down, and here you can see marketer. So I want to install this one. Then click here get started. After that, here you can enable these options, import theme options as well as demo content, and then enable this option. Then scroll down and then click here begin import. So here you can see it is installing all the required plugins as well as importing content. Alright, now here you can see import is complete. So guys, here you can see blog website is ready to use.